Hey, party people. You know I prioritize personal item only travel, and one of the things that fits extremely well into my personal item only travel is clothes that are anti-odor, anti-microbial, and wrinkle resistant, and that's what I'm looking at today. So I got 3 different items from a company called HercLeon, and HercLeon has been featured on Shark Tank, and they have really awesome, really innovative designs on clothing that's not made from merino wool. It's made from a blend of fabrics with some metal treatments in order to make it antimicrobial, anti-odor, long-lasting, durable, and super comfortable. So I wanted to see how well it could pack into my gear. So I've got my Cabin Zero Military 28-liter backpack, one of my favorite personal item size backpacks. And I rolled up the clothes from HercLeon and I put them into a Peak Design packing cube, loaded out this bag with everything I would normally pack, and I left it in here for 24 hours to see if it got wrinkly or messed up from being stuffed into this packing cube for 24 hours, and that can give you an idea of how this would travel for you. So let's take a look. So if I open up this bag, undo the cinch straps, unzip the main compartment, I have my tech pouch, I have my med pouch, my packable beach towel, my journal, my DOP kit, and here is the Peak Design packing cube. So let's see how these clothes have held up after being packed away for 24 hours. So from HercLeon, I have the HercShirt 3.0. And you know, it has some minor creases in it, but it doesn't look very wrinkly at all after being in here for 24 hours. This shirt retails for $100 US. It comes in a ton of different sizes and styles, whether you need a V-neck, a crew neck, a Henley, long sleeve, short sleeve, anything like that. You have a ton of different options. And it also has 15 different color options. It uses their innovative material, which uses a metal infusing technology to combine beechwood, copper, spandex, and a few other materials to craft a unique shirt that claims to keep you looking good and smelling good, as well as feeling good, for over 100 days without washing, which is a bold claim. So far, I've worn this for 3 days, and it has no discernible smell whatsoever. I wore it with my typical deodorant and cologne combo, as well as my facial lotion and body lotion, and it smells as good as the day I got it. So their odor absorbency definitely works well. I can't claim 100 days because I haven't owned these for 100 days, but I'm going to continually wear this without washing to test that claim over time. Right now, it's performing pretty admirably. As far as the care of all this gear, you want to prioritize hand washing if you don't mind hand washing, but if you want to use machine washing, you can do that too. Just make sure you wash it on cold and then hang to dry. So it's similar to the way that you would have to treat merino wool clothing. And also the price level, $100 for a t-shirt is a lot, but if you can truly wear this for 100 days without washing, to me that's worth it. And $90 to $100 is basically what merino wool goes for as well. So I think for this tier of travel clothes with that kind of anti-odor, antimicrobial properties is just kind of the going rate. So you need to factor that in if you want to use something like a synthetic fabric that might be a little bit cheaper. But then again, it won't have these same anti-odor, antimicrobial properties. So you need to let your budget, your style, and what you're willing to spend on clothing decide if that's worth it to you. But I love how soft and supple this material is. It looks super nice. And I think that this is worth it for me at $100 because if this lasts 100 days without washing like it claims, then I don't mind paying $100 for it. We'll try these on after we get through the rest of the materials here. So then next up, I have the Kribi Underwear. This is their really soft, breathable, antimicrobial, anti-stink fabric. And this retails for $29.99. They claim to be able to let you wear this underwear for 2 to 3 days without it smelling. I'm sorry, but I'm someone who's never gonna wear a pair of underwear more than 1 day. I just don't think that that's hygienic. And even if it reduces smell and antimicrobial, I'm still gonna sink wash this or wash it in the laundry after wearing it for a day. I believe their claims. They haven't led me astray with any of their products thus far. But I am a person who is never going to wear a pair of underwear for more than 1 day. That's just not me. But I do think that the overall softness and comfort of this, the material feels very breathable. It feels very soft. You have a nice elastic waistband. It looks really nice. It's a high quality underwear. I like the little pouch they give you for your junk here. It looks to be very supportive. And I think it's just a quality pair of underwear. I wore it for one day and then washed it, and this is how it looks. Not super wrinkly. It hasn't faded at all. I hung it to dry, and it looks really nice. And then the last thing to mention are these HercSocks. You can get them either longer, or this is the ankle cut version. They retail for $19.99, and these claim to be able to be worn for a week straight without smelling. Now, socks I would test out. I only wore these for a couple of days, and there's no discernible smell. They're not super wrinkly. They look as nice as the day I bought them. So overall, the durability is super nice. Maybe I'll try wearing them for a week and see if they smell. But as of right now, I don't notice any kind of odor coming from them. They're anti-microbial, antibacterial, and antifungal, which is great to see in a sock. And they're super durable, and because of the antimicrobial, antibacterial, anti-odor properties, these would be great for things like hiking, through hiking, backpacking, camping, as well as just wearing to a nice dinner date. So there's a ton of versatility in these socks. And then, because of their packability, I have a loaded out packing cube, and then I can just throw these on top and zip it up. And then this is a compressible packing cube, so I can compress it down using the zipper. And you have a really tightly packed thing that doesn't get wrinkly, and you'll be able to wear these for a number of days to keep your packing minimal. Fits well into a personal item if you want to do personal item only travel. So overall, a really nice option for travel clothing if you don't feel like using merino wool or you don't like the way merino wool feels. This is a great option or alternative, and you still have those same antimicrobial, anti-odor properties, but in a non-animal based fabric, so if that matters to you, this may be a great thing to use. So now let's try these on real quick. Now, because I'm a man of honor, I'm not going to come out here parading around in my underwear, so you're just going to have to trust me on the way that that one looks. I know how much you want to see me in my underwear, see my butt shaking around, wiggling around for you, but that ain't happening today. So just trust that I'm wearing them. The shirt itself feels really nice. I like the way that it fits on me. It's super soft, super comfortable. I've been wearing this for about 3 days, like I said. No discernible odors, nothing under the arms, nothing on my chest. I think it's a great shirt to consider for personal item only packing because of its antimicrobial and antibacterial properties. It's a great shirt that you could wear for multiple days and only have to bring maybe 1 or 2 shirts with you and pack really minimally for people who prioritize that kind of travel. The softness of it, the comfort, this would work really well in an active environment as well as, pair it with kind of a button down, opened up or something, dress it up a little bit if you want to go to like a business casual kind of dinner. So this would work in a variety of different situations. As far as the socks, they feel great, they look great, they don't smell at all even after wearing them for 3 days. And I think this is a great option as well to keep your travel super minimal, and you're able to pack them away, keep them in a really small package, maybe only bring 1 pair of socks with you on your travel, and really help you prioritize personal item only travel. As far as the underwear, like I said, I'm not going to wear underwear for multiple days. Wearing it for 1 day, it didn't have any discernible smell really, but I still decided to wash it and hang it to dry just because that's the type of person I am when it comes to underwear. I'm not going to mess with that multiple day underwear thing. I'm not a weirdo. But overall, the shirt, the underwear, the socks, great quality, super comfortable, wrinkle resistant, fit well into like a packing cube, into a personal item only setup, look great, feel great, soft, comfortable. I have no complaints with this whatsoever. So if you're someone who doesn't want to buy animal-based products, you don't want to use merino wool, you don't really like how merino wool feels or looks, this could be an excellent option for you for an antimicrobial, anti-odor clothing option that allows you to pack super minimally. If you have any other travel clothes that you'd like to recommend, please leave a comment below and I'll be sure to review them. If you want to pick up any of these clothes, use the affiliate links below and you'll get a discount on any HercLeon products. I have an affiliate link below. If you want to pick up any of the gear that I've decided not to keep, I'm selling them at rock bottom prices. Check out my eBay link, make me an offer and I'm likely to accept. If you want to check out my merch like this notebook, shirts, hats, hoodies, cups, mugs, stickers, anything like that, check it out. I designed it all myself and I'm really proud of all the designs and how they turned out, the quality level of all the merchandise. Please check it out if you're interested. Please like, comment, and subscribe in general because it helps the channel out a lot. Keep in mind that I have an Osprey Daylight 26+6 expandable travel backpack giveaway that's still going on. If you watch that video, comment on it, hashtag visionswell, and subscribe to my channel. You're able to be entered into a giveaway where you can win that. And we're getting close to being able to do that giveaway once I reach 5,000 subscribers. So definitely enter that if you're interested in winning a free backpack. Thank you as always for watching. I couldn't make this channel without you, and I really love reviewing these products, speaking with all of you, really helping choose extremely useful, long-lasting gear that makes my setup as minimal and useful and practical as possible. So thank you sincerely for all of your help in that. And with all that being said, I will definitely see you in the next video. Take care.